Good morning. After a nice mild sunrise, the afternoon things turn hot once again. Upper 90s, may even see a few hundreds. It will be a bit humid too. Expect dew points in the mid 60s, making it feel a few degrees warmer. So that's wind will be strong once again. It was a windy Monday. Today it's going to feature a gusty south breeze. The wind will not let up tonight. It will stay windy as we go throughout the overnight hours too. For this morning, a few clouds clear out quickly by the afternoon. Very sunny, and then this evening, small chance for a few passing storms across the northern big country, drying out by around midnight overnight. Cloud cover builds in mostly or a partly clear sky during the overnight, and then Wednesday those storm chances ramp up. Wednesday evening, cold front moves in, rain becomes likely. Wednesday sure could use that rain, so 40% chance for those showers Wednesday evening. Could see a few storms for that cold front, and then we are going to be seeing a 30% chance for rain each day Thursday, Friday, drying out this weekend. This is for this evening. There's a marginal risk of those severe storms in that dark green. That means that an isolated severe storm will be possible. For Abilene today, 98, mostly sunny with that gusty south breeze. Tonight, going to be staying warm with a low around 73. It will stay windy. Brownwood today, high around 97. Mostly sunny skies tonight, 72 for that low. Going to be nice and mild out there. Here's the rest of that 7-day. Those storm chances picking up Wednesday, a little bit cooler midweek, and then drying out by this weekend. Next week, looking to start out pretty hot.